Hey everyone, got Dragonite Promo here. We let it sit in between the acrylic plates in just a penny sleeve. Kind of put a little bit more pressure on it. Since I don't think we needed, dang, that looks so much better. Oh my goodness. Holy cow, sorry, that little spot there was the humidity from my hands. Holy cow. That crease is hardly noticeable. I haven't even done any edging on this. Holy cow, we still have that line there. Let me see if I can. But holy cow, that front crease just, it's basically gone. You still have this dent up here, but in there. Holy cow, I'm very happy with the results. It's still pretty wet, so I'm just gonna put it right back in. I'll grab a new penny sleeve because I think that got dust on it or something. So I'm gonna put a clamp right here, and where are those two spots? Up here, so right there. So basically on the promo star and on the top by the energy. So top by the energy, and then promo star. And we'll leave it in. I'll probably give it another 2 days in here. Just letting it clamp, press down on it. Thanks for watching.